doing? And welcome to this trade recap playlist. So I put this playlist together because I'm a firm believer in it doesn't really matter what strategy you use to enter and trade the market. I found what truly matters is when you start trading the live market and all the fun psychological games that come with it. Things such as like revenge trading, FOMO, greed, a bit of patience. I've been fortunate enough to be trading now for about 5 years, full time for coming up 3 years. I found that throughout these 5 years, I've learned so much from trading the live market. And my favourite thing about trading is that I continue to learn. I've only scraped the surface, I know it. Every time I step onto the charts, I learn something new, whether it be about the charts, whether it be like a mirror into my own psyche. And I saw it as a bit of a blessing that midway through last year, I went back to week one, day one. I had no capital in my personal trading account, and I also lost my funding. And I saw it, as a blessing that now I can record every trade that I take, every lesson that I learn, not just for my own benefit, but hopefully to help you guys too. So maybe we don't have to make the same mistakes twice. You can just learn from my mistakes and become more consistent, profitable traders, because that's the plan, right? And also the good times as well. You know, there's a lot of real nice parts of trading. For now, I've timestamped these videos down the bottom with the intro, this waffle, so you don't have to listen to this every time, thank God. The actual video breakdown of the trade itself, the entry criteria diagram as well, and also the proof of these trades. I want to be completely transparent with you guys and share every single trade that I take, and I'll be taking screenshots of my broker, of my personal broker, of my STMO account and my trade copiers, so you can see that every trade that I show you is every single trade that I take. I really hope this channel helps you, and I enjoy making the videos. They actually really help me as well. And if you do like them, please give it a like, give it a subscribe, all that good stuff. And I really look forward to seeing you guys on the charts. Take it easy. Bye. Hey guys, so breaking this one down on the charts, and as per, we're on the 50-minute time frame because this is the next day. Gonna mark the high here, as we're looking for shorts. I'm gonna try my best to actually make these trade recaps a little bit quicker as well. I know they're all like 30 minutes long at the moment, so I'm gonna kind of get through this as quick as possible, especially the losses, because actually took 2 losses yesterday, but very happy with it. We'll go on a little bit on the psychology side of things actually while we'll kickstart it. Taking a lot of losses in a row at the moment, to the point of where I usually say 10 in a row is a test and adjust and step back and see what's going on. I think this is number 8 or 9. Definitely these trades I'm happy with. There was a few a while back, probably like trades, probably the beginning of this losing streak, where we'll up in percentage and after that challenge and all that good stuff. Not that stoked about those ones, but still happy with the strategy. Like looking at the edge strategy, happy with that. Mentality side of things, going to put that down to that revenge trading and wanting to be in the market and kind of get back into the plus as quick as possible as well. So it's good to know, just playing these high probability setups, which these are. So you're only as good as your last win or whatever. Even though these were losses yesterday, you're only as good as your last trade. I feel these are good. I'm happy with these. First one we didn't get 1 minute inducement, but I really like the high time frame setup. Bit of a psychological kick in the nuts. But I'm also I'm quite happy with myself in the fact that afterwards it wasn't like I was tempted to like go and have a beer and fucking chill or do whatever or just sack it for the weekend. Because today's the last day before we have a profit split on Monday. I was thought, just step away, go and have a break. And I was like, nah, have a break from like discipline. You know what I mean? Now's the time to be um, disciplined more than ever. And it was nice to go and have a coconut on the beach, sunset. I know it sounds silly, but these little things really help me a lot. Or we're delaying gratification and kind of um, controlling the things that I can control, and that is sitting in a sauna until I'm like dying, and then just sitting there for longer. So yeah, it was kind of like, okay, we couldn't control the markets, or we can never control the markets to do what we want to do, but what are the things we can control? And let's do those the best we can, and that will get you sleeping well at night. And that's what I did. And I slept great last night. Woke up fresh as a daisy, 5 a.m. We actually just adopted a couple of dogs, or dropped on our doorstep sadly yesterday, so I had a nice morning walk, sunrise walk with the pups, and been looking after them today. But yeah, still ice bath, still read, still journal, still write, still eating healthy. All the stuff we can control, doing it to the best of our ability, staying consistent and disciplined with those side of things. And just so confident in this age. I'm learning a few extra additional things at the moment, which you'll see me be integrating into the charts as well soon. It's not wandering away from the edge at all or anything. It's just it was more what I've been doing, and now understanding almost the reason behind it, which I know it sounds daft, but it's very very interesting. So I'll be sharing that with you soon. There's a little bits there. Previous day, low and high. Anyway, so on the daily, very happy to see that we're up into this strong level of supply that's got this flip inducement that broke this level of demand. Yeah, we have mitigated demand. We are coming up bullish. Now, is this a weak high? What's going to be swept? But probably, maybe. But this is a strong enough point of interest to play a counter trend pullback shorts from if we get the lower time frame entry model, which we do. So let's go down to the 4 hour. I just realised so much for making these quicker here. I just waffled on loads. So this is some of the stuff from what I've been learning recently. So yeah, flip of this strong level of demand, came up, swept, dropped a little bit of inducement, melted off, dropped more inducement, and we've just been melting off ever since. Dropped some inducement of liquidity just before our point of interest as well. We didn't get suckered into any of this kind of pullback here. This did get swept, swept all this. We are right in the top. Oh yeah, that wick hadn't happened yet. That's for the second trade. We actually mitigate the extremity of this. So for now we're tapping into this one. So that was looking nice. And then we got 15-minute Badger. I'm just going to mark up the trade. Come on, Mish. Hello. Are you frozen on me? There we go. Ah, good. That's all going to show the most recent ranges as well now. Come on, mate. There we go. Right, ignore these. They hadn't happened yet. So I think we can all agree that this is nice. Demand, strong level of demand that broke level supply, mitigated our high time frame daily and 4 hour level supply, got tested, failed, created some liquidity. Wonder that's why we went a bit higher. But we did drop inducement and we had this level. Don't know why that's not marked out right now. This level will also get broken. And yeah, here's our inducement, 15-minute. Looking nice, had our point of interest, and I was like, yeah, it's the plan. Let's send it, Sally. We're here. So big pause, mate. Big smash in. Didn't get a chock or flip or anything yet though. So even though I saw this retracing and this was looking very clean on the seconds as well, happy to stay out of these moves, not play short, wait for our 1 minute chock. I was happy for just a chock because all this was really nice order flow, supply order flow, and yeah, just nice price action. So I thought if we get a chock and it was a clean flip on the seconds as well. There's our chock. When do we enter? Yeah, it was this one here, so 31 minutes past 8. I think 31 minutes past 8 at 9:01. 9:01, stop loss 935, stop loss 935. And yeah, it was looking alright. Quite like that. So yeah, on the lower time frame, on the seconds, I went really aggressive on the seconds for flips. Didn't wait for the 1 minute flip or inducement. Whoops. Well, that could be. See, that's what I like about his trade recaps. Just saying out loud does not sound like I'm being very patient and sticking to the edge. Sounds like I want to be in the market and get my money back. But yeah, not the best of trades, really. Look, I haven't had a 1 minute flip. A little bit. Definitely no 1 minute inducement, and gone for it. So again, there's me thinking, oh, it was a good trade, but actually, this is too aggressive. This ain't the plan. Love the recap. Love a recap. So that was the first trade. And then let's just get the second trade up. Because it was all the same higher time frame narrative. We're actually into the extremity of this 4 hour point of interest and swept even more inducement. And I was liking it. I was liking it a lot. Especially when we got a much better 1 minute chock and flip. That's more like it. So chock, we've seen levels of demand get flip, 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 flip. This is level holding here. But yeah, happy with the whole higher time frame narrative, the fact that we're in a daily. Hello. Is our daily level supply. We're in a 4 hour level of supply. Extremity of it. Tell you what, bet you anything. Oh no, yeah, we actually got a 15-minute range flip here as well. So again, I like that. If the old badges will load up. And you see the range flip. Inside bar, push long. Then we broke the low of this inside bar, creating a demand to supply range flip. So yeah, happy with that. Not much 15-minute inducement though. I think we just got 4 hour inducement. So yeah, again, pretty aggressive on the 15-minute. This is aggressive trading. Not really what I want to be doing. I mean, last 2 days of profit split, I do really want and need money. I'll tell you what, I'm going to put in the videos, a little bit on the videos of walking the pups this morning, because the barley life just makes you think I don't give a flying fuck about this stuff. Life is still magical and good. And also a little bit, I made a recording yesterday, just while I was watching this trade, because I'm skint, a bit short on rent. And when he got to like this, I was like, I don't think the market understands how much that move there, a couple of minutes away, will get me out of shit. When you're in a trade, you need a dosh. She's going.
She's not in profit target. And she's finding every single which way to distract yourself. Read a bit of philosophy. They said, play a bit of guitar, they said. Oh, look at the beautiful birds outside. Ah! Oh, that is fucking heaven though, eh? Blessed. It's gonna go. Acceptance. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. But she decided not to. She went back and took us out. Which, yeah, kicking the teeth. But you know what I mean, this is trading. And as I said, just afterwards did the things that I can have control of to the best of my ability. Afterwards, eating right, sleeping right, sauna, waking up, making bed, meditating, ice plunge, eating good, ready for the charts again today. I'm feeling really nice, honestly, feeling no qualms. Even though, oh sorry, should we do they need the proof of trade? That's coming in a minute, but so 5 minutes past 10, 5 minutes past 10, 998, 998, 134, 134, yeah, it got taken out. 034, sorry. Oh, Wonder Boom finished. So yeah, that was that. I believe, does this extremity hold? Nope, but we do. No off. That would be nice. So we're just off. Should we have a little investigate? This is what I'm going to do now anyway, so I might as well do it with you guys here. Swooping that, nothing really tickling my fancy. Looking at that right now. So that is a sell to buy wick. Happy with that. What are we looking at? Yeah, nothing really jumping out at me. What we're mitigating. I like this kind of price action up here. Yeah, that's what we go from. Gonna be part of my plan, but she goes from there. Right, I think that'll do it for the technical breakdown. 15 minutes. That's quicker and better. And there was still a waffle in there as well. So how good is that? Yeah. Let us know. Shall we do this thing? I know there's only like 9 viewers of this at the moment. But yeah, if you prefer the waffle and a bit more in depth of each trade, then let us know. But that was a lot better and still got the point across. Yeah, I think the biggest thing to take away right now, as I said, it's not so much the technical analysis part of the trading. I'm making these recordings for is for the psychological side of things. And yeah, taking quite a few hits in a row right now. Okay, 1, 2, get out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in a row. But looking at our probability video, you know what I mean? 2 trades you're back in. I can take out a few of those, probably including these ones. First one, no 1 minute flip or inducement. Second one, not strong enough on a 15-minute, perhaps. So we do get a 15-minute demand to supply range flip. Yeah, not too bad. If this went and I wasn't in it, I would have been pretty gutted. Put it that way. So, yeah, happy with this one. First one I think is debatable. Cool. Right, that'll do. Almost turning it into a half an hour one still. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye. Hey guys, here's our proof of trade. So 831, 831, tagged in at 901, tagged in 901, stop loss 935, stop loss 935, taken out 935, minus 1% loss. Next one, 5 minutes past 10, 5 minutes past 10, at price 989, 989, stop loss 034, stop loss 034, taken out 034. Or slightly bigger than 1% loss. I think that got filled different, so the stop loss got different. And yeah, that's that one. Yeah, I've only got one account on the FTMO right now, so it's all the same as this. Other than that, I hope you guys are happy and trading well, and I'll see you on the charts next time. Take it easy. Bye.